Pi Network secures a decisive win in its Binance community vote, with hundreds of thousands of voters supporting a potential listing. Pi Network, the popular mobile mining project, has won a huge vote from within the Binance community. This win comes after several big steps forward for Pi, including the launch of its open network and listings on various major exchanges. But will this vote lead to Pi being listed on Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange? On February 20th, Pi Network launched its open network. Since said launch, Pi Network has become open for external connectivity, transitioning away from the previous closed network stage. Along with this big step, the PI token has been listed on several major crypto exchanges, such as OKX and MEXC, allowing people to buy and sell it more easily. Not everything has been positive, though. Benjo, the CEO of Bybit, another major crypto exchange, made harsh comments about Pi Network. Pi Network's team has since responded quickly to these comments to defend their project. Many people wonder how Pi Network will keep up its momentum and excitement. A listing on Binance could be the answer. The Binance community vote. Just days before Pi launched its open network, Binance started a community vote through Binance Square. The vote asked a simple question: should Pi be launched on Binance? The vote ran from February 17th to February 27th. During this time, there was much debate. Some people claimed Pi Network to be a scam, while Pi's community of pioneers strongly defended the project. The results are now in, and the answer was clearly yes. According to various reports, more than 200,000 people voted in favor, with a strong majority supporting the listing of Pi on Binance. Will Binance list Pi Network? Even though Pi Network won the vote, this doesn't guarantee that the Pi token will be listed on Binance. The community vote is just one of many factors Binance considers when deciding whether to list a cryptocurrency. Other factors Binance will consider. Binance looks at many things before listing a new token. These may include: Number 1, potential trading volume. Number 2, project reputation. Number 3, technical strength. Number 4, community support. While winning the vote doesn't guarantee a listing, it certainly helps Pi Network's case. Strong community support often indicates high trading volume, which is important for exchanges as a means of revenue and market share. Binance might also be encouraged by how Pi is performing on other exchanges. For example, Pi has seen more than $530 million in trading volume on OKX in just 24 hours, per CMC data. The waiting game. No one can say for sure if or when Binance will list Pi Network. The exchange doesn't have to follow the community vote, even though it's an important signal. Thanks for watching. If you have not started mining Delta Coin, use the link in the video description to register.